Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the View 3. Today we are going to use the AutoAnimate in View 3. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So the AutoAnimate is a library that simplifies adding smooth automatic animations to your View 3 project. It is automatically animates elements when they enter, leave, reorder, and it is very easy to set up. Let's have a look. So this is how we have to install this one. Go to the terminal, install this package. Done. To use the AutoAnimate, you need to import the AutoAnimate function and bind it with the DOM element. Okay. So this is how we have done. Let's use it. So let's add npm run dev. Meanwhile, okay. Let's hide this. Let's go and check. You can see the animations, how smooth it is. Okay. So this is how we have added the animations. Here you can see AutoAnimate, form kit, AutoAnimate, right? So whenever there is a add item pushing, okay, what we have done, mounted, set up the AutoAnimate, parent reference null. So parent dot value, if it is, then AutoAnimate the value whenever there is a parent value is there. Okay, so this is how we can add the animations like this using AutoAnimate with other components like have a card. So here you can see that we are using the card component. Let's have a look how it is working. So let's add this. This is template one. Let's remove this. Save this, and here you can see that we have a card. Let's reload this. And what we have added for the animation. So we are using the AutoAnimate form kit AutoAnimate. Okay, so where it is we are using AutoAnimate when there is a parent value would be added. Okay, but we are not using the parent card. I think it's a reference of the previous one might be button click. But here there is a no add item, right? So if I use the add item, and but here it's not. Let's have a look, let me check. Yeah, it's there on mounted parent dot value. But there is a no button click, right? So if I add this button, so you can achieve that one. Okay, so add item. So here you can add the add item button, and again you have to go with this one. So here we have the items reference is there, so we are going to use the this cards reference, right? So let's add this. Okay, this is done. Let's have a look if something not wrong. So here you can see that the card is added, but the text is not there. That is, we have to check the values only. Okay, otherwise we are working on the animate part, right? So this is how you can do that one using the AutoAnimate with other components, which is done. Okay, I need to just push this whole value while inserting it. Okay, this is done. Customizing animation settings, so you can animate like this. So on mounted parent value is there, auto animate parent value, then duration, then easing. So animation during in the milliseconds, and the ease function. So according to it you can manage it, right? Removing the auto animate. So instance auto animate parent value, instance dots disconnect, stops observing the changes. If there is a no changes observed, then there would be no animations part, right? So this is how you can do the animations in your Vue 3 project. And without any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.